Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to log someone off of Netflix from your own device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to log off someone from your Netflix account, you just simply have to open your Netflix application at first, and after opening the Netflix application, just simply choose any of the profile, and after that go to My Netflix section at the bottom right. And after going into there, simply tap into this three bars into the top right side and go to account section. Now after going into the account section, scroll down a bit and go to privacy and security options. And into the security and privacy section, you will see this manage access and devices option. Just simply tap into that manage access and devices option, and after going into that section, you will see all of the active devices of your Netflix account. Now you just simply have to choose from which device you want to log off the Netflix account and then tap into this sign out button, and then the person will be logged off from your Netflix. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.